There's only one free room left. Who's calling dibs on it? I saw it first, April. You wish, maybe. Stand back. Get out of my way.
Wow.
There's so much space. I love it. I do too, bestie.
Yeah.
The bed is too high up, though. We'll fix it right away. We'll use this trampoline. Come on, Maybe. I believe in you. You're great. Your turn now, April.
Yay.
Jump. I'm coming, bestie. Yeah! I did it. Uh-oh, just a little bit more. Baby, I'm falling. Whoops. You all right, April? What a soft landing! A blanket hammock is super convenient. Maybe we are going to build a swing bed. I'll be right back. April, wait! What about me? Don't panic. I'll help you get down. Just going to need a few screws, Anne. Now you have a way. That was a real
Yay.
adventure. I liked it. Now we have to be super serious, Maybe. This whole place needs some serious cleaning. Let's clean up and get rid of all the clutter. We won't be needing this for now. April, look what I found. Great, Maybe. That's exactly what we need. And I found rope. Let's tie it to the pallet. Where did I put my screw gun? Your turn, Maybe. I'm on it, bestie. The swing is almost done. All that's left is to hang it up. We did it, Maybe. I love it so much. We did it. And now it's time for some interior decoration. We'll start with a lawn. Watch and learn, April. Just a little water, and now our floor is covered in soft grass. Wow, impressive. How about a nice fuzzy blanket? Great idea, April. The coziness levels are off the charts here. Oh, maybe. What about the ceiling? Let me think. Let's hang up some light fabric. Let's get to it, Maybe. We'll put the fabric in place with a stapler. And decorate the ceiling with bright garlands. So pretty. Now we are going to have a canopy. That's a great idea, Maybe. Let's do it. A bed fit for a queen. Now we can stargaze while going to sleep. So cool. But the stars are looking a little lonely. How about we add in a moon? The walls could use some stars as well. Am I great at this or what? How are things on your end, April? It's perfect. Our swing is covered with flowers now. I just love playing on the swing. Why are you swinging so slow? Want me to help? April, I'm scared. Stop! Ah! I didn't mean to. Somebody, help! I can't hold on. What do we do? No worries. Maybe's going to have a soft landing. Ah, thank you. You are such a gentleman. April, I'm okay. Phew, thank goodness. But who's that with you? A new boyfriend? I am so happy for you. It must be Faye. What just happened? No worries, my love. We'll be perfect together. Hey, what's going on? You cheater. We're through. Whoops, your ex sure is mad. But you are better off with me. Where are you going? We're meant to be together. Danger is approaching. The burglar is getting close. An open window? Lucky me. I'm coming for your money. He's almost here. All that's left is to get up there. It's harder than it looks. Whoops. Let's see what we got here. All is clear. What a find for our burglar. A swing bed? Pretty exciting. But there's no time to play. Aha! That'll do it. The owners won't miss this either. April, are you seeing this? He's trying to rob us. We'll teach him a lesson. Are you ready? Get him! Time to go hunting. Do it, buddy. Don't fail us. Ah! Yikes! What in in the world? Aw, you are so cute. Wanna play? Come closer, little guy. Don't be afraid. Show me what you got. April, you ready? We do it on 3. 1, 2, go! We did it! The burglar is down. The law never sleeps. Officer Megan is always on the lookout for crime. Now, where did this come from? This stinks of crime. Hey, is anybody there? Ow! Help! Are you all right there? It's raining criminals. So weird. What are you doing here? Just going on a walk. Honest. We'll talk in the precinct. Come with me. High five, maybe. We won. We've got nothing to worry about. Get ready, everyone. Time to tidy up. Maybe is going to take care of the cleaning. So much dust. We'll need turbo mode for this room. Let's turn it on. Uh-oh. Let me go. No. Where are you going? Let go. Why aren't you listening? Don't even think about that. Not our swing. It's all gone. Nothing can save our custom bed anymore. April! Help! No chance. Our friend is super busy right now. There's a new video on our favorite channel. What have you done, maybe? Hey! I don't want to get eaten. Nothing can stop this horrible machine. Nothing can get in its way. Are you all right, April? Hang in there. I'll get you out. What if we put it in reverse? It can't hurt to try. Please come back, April. Maybe. All this cleaning is killing me. No more vacuuming, okay? Whoops. Yeah, I agree. A date on a swing. So romantic. But April really looks like a third wheel here. Just what are you doing? Kissing is banned here. The forecast predicts a little rain. That was a great prank. Now the lovebirds will be too busy to kiss. Here's some tissues, honey. Don't worry. You still look perfect. Aw, thanks, Dennis. You always take care of me. But April's not done with her pranks yet. She's got something else up her sleeve. Maybe is really afraid of spiders. Oh, I almost forgot. I brought you flowers. I picked your favorite one. Do you like them? So pretty. Thank you. Oh no! This is a huge, angry, terrifying spider! You won't get me, you monster! Get out of the way, Dennis! What a scaredy cat. Spiders are not scary at all. The first floor is free of monsters now, but all the clean air is gone too. Let's distract ourselves with some tea. This isn't over, lovebird. I've got another surprise for you. Get ready. Too many snacks are bad for your health. Didn't your parents teach you to share? Dennis, are you seeing this? Flying bananas. That can't be right. It's clear now. It was all April's fault. Oh yeah, some bananas really hit the spot. Let's do some more fishing. Be quiet, Dennis. Nuh-uh. You are not getting any. Give us back our fruit. And no more stealing from now on. Aw, don't be mad, bestie. Come down to us. We missed you a lot. Just lie here for a while, okay? The top floor is really cozy. Right, Dennis? Today's morning is very special. It's Mavy's birthday. Her best friend threw a great party for her. Thanks, April. Wow, everything is so pretty. Time to make a wish. Happy birthday, Mavy. May all your dreams come true. Oh, they will, bestie. Let me just take care of those candles. Speed up a bit, Mavy. There's a party waiting for us. Oh, you asked for this. No more swinging. Oops, finally. That's better. And now let's party. Get in here, everyone. Yay! So many presents. The more friends you have, the louder you can party. Can I get a selfie, everyone? Say cheese. Aren't we awesome?
Martin, Sally, and Barbara are having a cozy movie night. Wow! A blanket fort? That's so cool! But they are going to end up fighting. The friends are sure they can do better. Let's go build our own forts. Sally already has ideas for what to do. The cardboard will be the base of the house. It's simple and environmentally friendly. Let's begin. The house needs a roof, obviously, but it's better to start with the walls. No nails. To hold the walls together, we'll use the good old tape. Martin has a more thorough approach. He's going to use plastic pipes to make a frame. What about the walls?
Yeah.
Martin will make them out of fabric. It will be beautiful, bright colors, lots of textures. The girls will be so jealous. Bending these pipes is not an easy task. It's a great alternative to working out. These pipes are strong, but they bend pretty well. Perfect! This tent can handle even a hurricane. All you have to do is stretch the pipes across the room, from wall to wall. And then hang pieces of fabric on them to separate the rooms. Martin is very happy with his work. Barbara is very serious. She has plenty of money. That's why she can hire a real construction manager to build the hut.
Yes.
She wants her tent home to be the best. Great! Now she has the materials. There are still so many details to talk about with the manager. But he won't even give you a chance to think about the project.
Oh.
That's right. Let's move the meeting to another room. Everyone's finally gone. The employee is enthusiastic about building the tent. He must have built hundreds of mini houses. He's acting fast and bold. That's an unexpected result. It looks more like a dollhouse. Tons of drawings. And this is what you end up with? I wonder how they'll deliver this property to the customer. Sally's working hard. A couple more rolls of tape and the walls of the hut will be ready. And the door is even easier to make. No hinges or bolts. All you need is a box cutter. Now the tent gets an entrance and an exit. Sally will still need that knife. What about the exterior of the house? This fence will look just fine. This is like a real green lawn. Sally is so creative when it comes to building things. And the natural light will come into the house through these windows. Martin doesn't just have a tent made of pipes and blankets. He's working on some technology. It's a multifunctional smart house. See for yourself. One command to your phone and the doors open themselves. And inside, all you have to do is clap your hands to turn on the lights. This house will be very comfortable. Everybody, get in here now! There's an emergency! The dollhouse collapsed! Yeah, we expected that. Barbara is furious. How could this have happened? We have to get rid of these builders immediately. Lady, where's our money? Oh, she'd better get out of here. When Barbara's like that, you better not come close. She'll have to use the tools herself. It doesn't seem difficult to build a house at all. Put the styrofoam boards in a row. And then staple them to make walls. And make sure there's an opening for the door. Put this nice curtain here. In Barbara's opinion, there's nothing like money when it comes to decorations. And Sally has already begun decorating her cardboard house. She needs some pictures for the walls. Animals or a landscape. Let's go with animals. Looks great. And kitchen utensils can go in this miniature wall cabinet. This will hold the cutest coffee set, made out of cardboard, obviously. And, of course, a table with chairs. This kitchen is the perfect place for Sally to have guests. Plates and glasses. Everything seems to be ready for the tea party. I almost forgot. You can heat food in this microwave. Sally, are you sure this is going to work? It's just cardboard. Martin is improving his place too. To spend the night in this hut, you at least need a mattress. This one is obviously too small. But in combination with the beanbag chair, it's pretty nice. Finally! Very cozy! The only thing missing is a soft blanket. And then you can sleep. Martin has no intention of getting up from his comfortable couch. You can dim the lights from your phone, too. Apparently, Martin even has a high-tech blanket. Barbara is about to have guests over in her tent. She can't cook anything, so she called the chef. He's better at cooking, but he has to hurry. The sandwiches have to be on the table in 2 minutes. Got it! Wow, those sandwich napkins are so unusual. It's time to set the table. Sally is the first to greet the guests. Elegant slippers for everyone. Made of cardboard, obviously. Barbara is not happy about the present. She prefers fancier things. What will Sally do when one of the guests asks to charge their phone? She'll just draw an outlet. A few seconds and the phone is already charging. It's a miracle! Sally even has a cardboard microwave that works. You can make popcorn for your friends. Yes, that can happen too, if you believe in the power of cardboard. And when everyone has a snack, you can go into the living room and have another movie night. Sally has such a huge TV. The picture quality will probably be awesome. But there's something wrong with the remote. Unfortunately, we can't watch a cardboard movie tonight.
Wow!
Let's use a regular TV instead. That's not bad. We can finish watching the video that gave us the idea to build our own huts. The guests are happy. But it seems it's already time to go see the other huts. Martin never sends out real invitations. He prefers modern methods. It's much easier to call all your friends. Come and admire his smart hut.
Wow!
Sally and Barbara are impressed. It's so soft and light and bright. But it's time to enjoy an interesting video. Martin turns on the projector using his phone. The girls are impressed. That's a creative approach to building a tent. No doubt about it. Do they even serve drinks in this house? Of course they do. Again, a simple move on your phone and the soda machine is at your service. Fanta, Sprite, Coca-Cola. There are drinks for everyone. What a comfortable place. Modern technology is amazing! And what kind of hut did Barbara make? Obviously, it had to have a red carpet. And this money curtain is just asking you to tear it into separate bills. Barbara's just like that. Everything has to be the best. There are refreshments waiting on the table. And the treats will be brought by the personal chef. These are not plain old sandwiches, but a culinary masterpiece from a 5-star restaurant. How about we watch some TV? There's been a mistake. So that's where Sally's cardboard TV is now. She's got the remote with her too. But the cardboard screen is definitely not going to show anything today. Martin isn't worried. He can enjoy these lovely sandwiches just like this. Sally has put so much work into her cardboard house. But as soon as it rained a little, all the equipment broke. Even the walls can't handle this bad weather. I need to save myself. The house is about to collapse. Martin's not doing any better. The fabric is leaking water, and even high technology won't help. I need to abandon ship. Only Barbara's house is fine. Of course, she used state-of-the-art building materials. She'll protect Sally and Martin, who is soaking wet from the rain. Don't feel bad, folks. No weather can scare you when real friends are here.